everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious roasted pumpkin. Hope you like it. Roasted pumpkin is low in calories and delicious. It tastes soft, sweet, and can be used as a snack. Roasted pumpkin. Use spoon to scoop out pumpkin seeds. Wash pumpkin thoroughly. Sliced pumpkin. Seasoning pumpkin slices. Mix well. Cover baking pan with aluminum foil. Arrange pumpkin slices nicely on plate. Send to oven, roast at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Put in my puppy's pumpkin snack to roast together too, smiling face with hearts. Wow! Smells so good. Roasting pumpkin like this is simple, delicious, not greasy at all, and really tasty. Pumpkin is a typical high potassium, low sodium vegetable. Potassium ions have the effects of dilating blood vessels, promoting sodium ion excretion, and reducing calcium ion excretion. It helps control high blood pressure and prevent osteoporosis. It is suitable for hypertensive patients and the elderly. Pumpkin is also rich in water-soluble dietary fiber, which can promote gastrointestinal motility, increase satiety, help relieve constipation, and control weight. Pumpkin also contains vitamin C, which helps maintain normal immune function of the human body, promotes the synthesis of skin collagen, and accelerates wound healing. Eating 200 g of pumpkin every day can provide the vitamin C needed for a day. Three types of people should be careful when eating pumpkin. Diabetics patients. Kidney disease patients. People allergic to pumpkin. Pumpkin should not be eaten with things that contain a lot of vitamin C, such as oranges, lemons, oranges, passion fruit, and other fruits. Because eating with these fruits will destroy a lot of vitamins in pumpkin, thus greatly reducing the effect. At the same time, pumpkin should not be eaten with mutton, which is easy to cause jaundice and vitamin B1 deficiency. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day. Right.
希望大家喜欢我今天的食谱分享，别忘了要把这美味食谱分享出去给家人朋友哦。
Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family.
Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. Yeah. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah.